$90 per barrel, but then dived into correction territory. In a relatively short period of time, oil jumped to $100 from $92. Thus, its local correction was just a matter of time. True, it comes against the backdrop of the US midterm elections. Although the vote counting is still ongoing, Republicans appear to have won control of the House of Representatives. This means that the adoption of decisions taken by the White House may be delayed or even blocked. First of all, this concerns economic development initiatives. In the face of the worsening economic crisis, this does not bode well. As for the energy market, this will most likely result in either a partial or complete halt in sales of oil from the US strategic petroleum reserves. So the market may face real oil shortages in the near future. Signs of a looming crunch will be enough for the quotes to continue going up. In other words, the current decline in oil prices is merely temporary. In the meantime, the chart shows that Brent crude oil futures have upped the pace of the downward move. Yesterday, the asset lost about 2.5% and returned to the level of $95 per barrel. This, in turn, indicates that buying pressure has fizzled out. And in fact, there is a shift in investor behavior. A strong sell signal will be generated when the price fixes below $94 on the 4-hour chart. Until then, this area is likely to act as support. Gold prices continue to post gains. The yellow metal has already risen above $1,600 per troy ounce. This can be attributed to fears that the victory of the Republican Party could limit the ability of the White House to take certain economic measures. Thus, higher gold prices are nothing more than a wave of a risk aversion. And in any case, this rally is likely to be short-lived. After all, major central banks keep rising interest rates, which suggest further capital flows to the debt market. Gold prices are expected to extend gains after the price consolidates above 1,730, the local high posted in October on the 4-hour chart. Notably, such an impressive rise in this short period of time could have pushed the asset into overbought territory, thus signaling the need for a bearish correction. At the first glance, the Russian currency remains stable despite its moderate gains. Judging by the preliminary results of the US midterm elections, the ruble has every chance of gaining a strong upside momentum. Republicans may well delay the adoption of new sanctions against Russia or even try to soften the existing ones. Many Republicans have repeatedly suggested that sanctions actually harm the United States more than Russia. So if the Republican Party claws back power in Congress, the dollar is likely to dip below 60 rubles. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.